The Federal Republic of Somalia, Africa's Horn, 500 years of shared history. Border neighbor in the 18th and 19th centuries, our friend and brother country with shared religion. The point connecting the Gulf of Aden from the Red Sea to the Indian Ocean. 60% of the world trade passes from this route. We need to work together for Somalia so that she could benefit from this trade. In order that Somalia could get the share she deserves from this international trade, the technical abilities, physical conditions, as well as the capacity of this important port must be elevated to match this aim. The modernization of the port, not only from the infrastructural point of view, but also as operational ability, is of critical importance. Such a port, having the effective usage facilities and increased trade, will contribute to the rapid growth of wealth in the social perspective, along with its economic contribution.
Likey